Cancer is the common name for a large group of diseases that can affect any part of the body. Such concepts as malignant tumors and neoplasms are also used. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the world. So, in 2018, 9.6 million people died from this disease in the world. More than 2 million people die of cancer every year in China alone. In 2017, in the Russian Federation, according to oncology.ru, new cases of malignant neoplasms were registered 3% more than a year earlier and 27% more than in 2007. And in general, by the beginning of 2018, 3.63 million people were registered with oncological institutions, which is almost 2.6% of the total population of the country. Every year, the number of cancer patients increases by 1–3%. Already now, there are more than 25 million people with cancer of various types in the world. In total, more than 300 types of cancer are already known. There was not a single safe and really working way to treat cancer in the world until recently. Each person, regardless of gender and age, is at risk. There's already a solution to the cancer treatment. In 1974, biologists has begun a study of human immunity. In 1981, the fundamental principles of the theory of immunity of man are created. 7 patents in the field of immunology has been received. In 2001–2006, the theory of human immunity is proven in practice and passed preclinical trials. In 2004, Alexander Pifrantsev and his team of biologists became a winner of the Second World Congress on Immunopathology. In 2008, A.P. Frantsev and his team of biologists became a winner of the 4th International Conference on Immunotherapy. In 2006–2011, clinical trials were passed. In 2015, development of suppository, a new formula of the drug named FRAN. The main advantages of the drug FRAN are the ability to cure cancer completely in the initial and middle stages of the disease. The drug acts on a wide range of cancers, unlike other drugs, which affect only one type of disease. The ability to conduct effective therapy at the most severe stages of diseases, even in critical condition of the patient. The absolute safety of the drug. It does not cause any side effects actions. High anti-metastatic action. The use of the drug prevents the development of metastases and reduces the size of existing metastases. High preventive effect. Preliminary drug administration prevents the development of cancer. Availability of raw materials in any volumes in the domestic market. The raw material base does not depend on imports. The common properties of all chemotherapeutic drugs are high toxicity and a complete lack of selectivity of action, when a drug acts equally on healthy cells of the body and on cancer cells. The advantage of our project is the uniqueness of the drug. Unlike all other anti-tumor drugs, FRAN is an absolutely safe drug of natural origin and it does not contain chemical modifiers. This fact determines the unique therapeutic properties of the drug, which will create a very high demand for it in the future. Research, as well as the opinion of practicing oncologists, suggests that the combination of positive properties makes it unique, without worthy competitors in the anti-tumor market. This is proved by preclinical trials, clinical trials and more than 500 people who have already been treated with FRAN. By the sum of the positive qualities combining high anti-tumor efficacy, absolute selectivity towards tumor cells and complete absence of toxicity, the drug FRAN is unique in comparison with the well-known chemotherapeutic drugs. The development of the drug FRAN is a revolutionary solution and it opens up a new direction in the science of creating drugs for the safe treatment of cancer and, which is important, it carries out prophylaxis to restore immunity in order to destroy cancer cells at an early stage. Our task is to enable all people to get this active and completely safe drug. Already the drug can be ordered by contacting our representatives on our website. According to the estimates of the Institute for Human Data Science Company, in 2017 the amount of world expenses for the treatment of oncopathology, including supported therapy, reached $133 billion, and in 5 years, by 2022, it may increase up to $200 billion. provided that if Invinima will have only 1% of the volume of this market, this amount will be more than $1.5 billion per year. It is planned to launch mass production of the drug Fren already in 2020. After starting production and conducting market research, it is planned to expand sales markets and increase production volumes of the drug worldwide. At this time, the drug Fren has already been developed and patented. It took more than 20 years to develop it, and now, with your help, it remains to launch it mass production. All investors of Invinima project participate in the distribution of the company's profits from the sale of the drug Fren after the start of mass production. In 2010, Innovative Investment Solutions conducted an assessment of a scientific study of the development of the drug Fren, and it amounted to more than $3 billion. Based on the estimate, we calculated the nominal price of one share of Invinima, which is $416. Already now you can buy shares of the company with a very favorable discount from the nominal price, and thereby make your contribution to creating the production of the unique drug Fren. The company intends to pay the first dividends to all investors in our project at the end of 2020. To find out more information about the revolutionary drug Fren and investments in its development, please visit our website.